Selling your Houston home is a big deal. You want someone amazing to help you. That's where a realtor comes in. They're your house selling hero. A great realtor knows Houston like the back of their hand. They'll find you the best buyers and get you the best price. It's super important to choose the realtor. They'll make the whole process smooth and stress-free. Remember, selling your home is a team effort. You and your realtor will work together every step of the way. They'll be there to answer your questions, give you advice, and make sure everything goes smoothly. It's like having a trusty sidekick on your house selling adventure. So, are you ready to find your perfect realtor match? Let's dive in and see what makes a realtor truly top-notch in Houston. When it comes to selling your Houston home, experience matters. You want a realtor who knows the ins and outs of the Houston market. Look for a realtor who has a proven track record of successful sales in your neighborhood. A realtor who understands the local market can help you price your home just right. They'll know what buyers are looking for and how to make your home stand out. Plus, they'll be able to negotiate the best deal for you. Experience also means your realtor knows all the tricks of the trade. They'll handle all the paperwork, marketing, and showings like a pro. You can sit back, relax, and let them work their magic. Now it's time for the fun part, interviewing potential realtors. It's like a first date, but for your house. You want to find someone you connect with and trust. Ask about their experience selling homes in your area. Find out how they plan to market your property. Don't be afraid to ask lots of questions. This is your chance to see if they're the right fit for you. Pay attention to how they answer. Do they listen carefully? Are they enthusiastic about selling your home? Remember, you're building a team. Choose a realtor who you feel comfortable with and who you believe will work hard for you. Before you say yes to a realtor, do a little detective work. Ask for references from past clients. Talking to other sellers gives you valuable insights. Find out if the realtor was easy to work with and if they got good results. You can also check online reviews and testimonials. See what others are saying about their experience with the realtor. Reading reviews helps you get a feel for the realtor's style and professionalism. Remember, choosing a realtor is a big decision. Take your time, trust your gut, and choose someone who you believe will be your house selling hero.